Now the other option we have, if you want to set the screen a bit bright, sorry, just that. Come into like settings here, system, Android settings. You can just actually sort of search this. So you just type in intensity. Now you can adjust on the intensity of this, so you can see that screen is just it sort of puts like a softer glow on it, and you can put the schedule on, so you can either have it on I guess all the time, or turns on at a custom time, or like sunset to sunrise. So those are the options there, and you can like turn it off up there and it'll come back on. So that is just there. It basically tells you what to do. It just makes it less bright. Now so this first is going to cover like the dim settings. Now because the screens are quite big, they can be quite bright. So when your headlight comes on, the screen should dim. When it goes off, it'll come up. If you go like auto selecting ones, it should work as well, but you'd have to have your headlights on the auto for that to work. The majority of people seem to have the headlights on the whole time, so it kind of tells like this to be like bright, and that's just the way it's designed. So if we come to like the settings here, you got day and night mode. So if it's on like auto, it's going to try and pull it from the from the headlight switch. So you can actually just manually overlay power it and put it on to day or night. And the other option you've got here is you can select the actual dim settings. So on a day you could have it like really dim, and like sort of night could be really dim as well, and then it's going to cover both options. So that is like basically one way to get like around that, so that if you have your headlights on all the time, you could pretty much either just like have it set to night mode the whole time, or you could just still have it as like day mode or like auto and just put the dim down really low. So that is your options for your screen dimming.